Prime Minister Modi is said to have stayed at the site for about 20 minutes to take stock of the situation before moving to the hospital to meet with the injured. He was accompanied by Union Civil Aviation Minister Ram Mohan Naidu, while the Prime Minister took stock of the situation at the crash site. Gujarat Chief Minister Bhupendra Patel, State Home Minister Harsh Sanghvi and State BJP Chief C.R. Patil were at Ahmedabad Airport to receive the Prime Minister. Now, an Air India flight from Ahmedabad to London carrying around 242 passengers and crew crashed shortly after takeoff on Thursday afternoon. Barring one miracle survivor, no one else could be rescued. Former Gujarat Chief Minister Vijay Rupani was among those killed in the crash. Air India confirmed that 241 out of 242 people on board the flight have died. These are in fact the visuals of the Prime Minister at the crash site where he is in fact taking stock of the situation. The plane had crashed into a hostel and the building was completely charred after the crash. He is accompanied by the Aviation Minister as well as the Chief Minister as he in fact went around the hostel complex and saw the manner in which the disaster had taken place. He was also explained about the last minutes of the plane and how it crashed onto the hostel area. Meanwhile, debris of the plane as well as the hostel premises in which it crashed were also secured by the local law enforcement authorities. Prime Minister in fact taking a look at what exactly happened the moments after the crash, the explanation being given by the authorities in the area. These are in fact what he in fact saw as he arrived, a charred building, the hostel into which the crash had happened, and since it was completely loaded with fuel, the fuel was in fact sprayed onto the buildings and the fire in fact raged on. And there are reports coming in that it was the hostel mess into which they had. In fact, we have the forensic team also being at the spot, and they have been taking to the evidences what could have resulted in the crash. Of course, the big question is what the black box of the plane in fact holds. What kind of data will it in fact reveal? And that would be crucial enough to see and reconstruct how the crash occurred. So the forensic team there, search on for the black box also being taking place, and Prime Minister there taking stock of the situation of the crash at the crash site. The plane did hit the BJ Medical College hostel. People were in the mess of that hostel when the crash had taken place, and at least 20 students were said to have died in that crash. Shocking visuals coming in as well with regard to what occurred at that place. The Prime Minister had come earlier at Ahmedabad Airport, and after being received by the state authorities, he went to the crash site and from there to the hospital to meet with the victims of the crash. Relatives, after they come to know about the demise of their loved ones,
हमारी बेबी से, हमारी सासू से।
हिंदी में बताइए क्या कौन कौन थे?
मेरी लड़की और मेरी मम्मी दोनों।
कहाँ रहती है? पहली बार जा रही थी क्या?
हम लोग वहीं मेस में ही काम करते हैं।
अच्छा,
खाना बनाने का हम टिफिन सर्विस का करते हैं। हम टिफिन लेके निकल गए, मम्मी लोग खाना बना रहे थे।
in fact, the Prime Minister there being accompanied and relatives of the people who have been victims of this crash arriving at the local hospitals and getting information about what could have happened. Big tragedy that occurred in Ahmedabad. Just at takeoff, the plane loses altitude and crashes onto a building there. The Prime Minister, in fact, also at the crash site, interacting with the officials, taking stock of what had happened. Forensic team also at the spot, trying to get evidence to reconstruct the situation. My colleague Nivriti, in fact, joins us. Nivriti is out at the civil hospital where a lot of people were brought in. A lot of bodies were, in fact, brought in as well. Nivriti, it must be a heartbreaking situation. A lot of people, relatives of the deceased, all of them standing outside the hospital, all of them trying to get some kind of information about what has happened. It's quite a difficult situation, isn't it?
Of course, it is a very, very difficult situation for the relatives, for the near and dear ones of the victims who have succumbed to this crash over here. And right now, I'm not outside the hospital, but outside the exact crash site. What happened? What has happened here since morning? Let me just go through it. First of all, we could see the NDRF and SDRF teams going inside the building with stretchers, which indicates that they are looking for more bodies out there inside the building and at the crash site, and trying to recover few more bodies or the remains, whatever remains are there of the people who were traveling through the ill-fated aircraft. And then we could also see a few minutes back ambulances going inside with the stretchers, and that means that they might have found a few more remains or the bodies inside that we can see soon, after some time, will be brought out of this barricaded area. And then we saw the Air India CEO coming to this place and taking stock of the entire situation. And later on, at around 9 a.m. in the morning, Prime Minister also came to this ill-fated spot where the plane had crashed. He took stock of the entire situation, spoke to the investigating agencies, the security agencies, and took stock of the entire situation. From here, he came out and then went to the hospital where injured have been admitted. There are many injured people from the spot who have been taken to the hospital, and they are being treated there, which includes a lone survivor from the ill-fated aircraft. Out of 242 people on board, 241 have died. This is an official confirmation from the officials that 241 have died. Only one survivor who is being treated in the hospital where Prime Minister Modi went. And a few minutes back, we could see an internet connection being installed inside the building on the spot. Some BSNL personnel, they were taking some cables and some box kind of a thing to provide internet connection inside the building. So this is the update as of now, and we have heard that a black box has also been recovered, which will be a crucial evidence on what exactly happened inside the aircraft, whether if it was a mechanical failure or something, a human error or something like that. The voice recordings in the black box will play a crucial role in finding out what exactly happened. The conversation between the pilots and its crew, or the pilots and the ATC, will come out through this black box, and what last measures, what last crucial steps did the pilots take to recover from the situation that they had landed into, and which led to the aircraft crashing onto this building. So this is the entire scenario, and number of dead, as I said, 241 who were inside the aircraft, and in and around the spot where the aircraft crashed, we are hearing of more deaths also. 5 students of the medical college, a doctor, and a wife of a doctor. So these are the people who we hear have succumbed. Bodies are yet to be recovered and taken out of this particular building. Let us see now how many remains or the bodies of the people who have died do we get within a few hours from from now. As far as black box is concerned, we expect that within 24 hours, few details will be coming out so that the investigative agencies can carry out their investigation in the right direction. But the exact details of the black box won't come immediately. It will take some time to find out what exactly happened inside the black box. So as of now, this entire area behind me on the spot is barricaded. We can see the media persons here, some ambulances standing right outside the spot, and a big ambulance which has entered a few minutes ago inside this place.